Hi, my name is Julian Luna, and this is my week 3 project. Um, so to get us started, we have the age array. I named it how old, and for this particular array, we were supposed to subtract the first element from the last element, and to do that, I used a for loop, length, all that good stuff. For our second array, we have the name array. For this one, we were supposed to calculate the average number of letters in each name. So again, I used the for loop for that, and I created an integer value named average, and I set it to 0, and I had it iterate through the array and calculate the average. After this, we had to create an array from this called name length. So here's this part. Again, use the for loop to take the length of each name and add it into a new array. Have it printed out the array. Let's see here. And then the second part of that one was to calculate the sum of all the elements in the name length array. Again, use the for loop, set of integer variable to 0, and then have it print out whatever each length is, the sum of that. Our next one was to concatenate a word horizontally multiplied by an integer. I set in string equal to nothing, just empty quotes, and used a for loop to multiply that. And I used system out print for this one. Just because if you use print line, it'll print vertically instead of horizontally. And then now we have our methods. The first method was to create a full name. Got my all my different methods down here. So this is a method for the horizontal concatenation. Then this is the full name method. Let's see. After the full name method, we have, let's see, check an array of integers to see if the sum is greater than 100. Here's that. And then I do have examples of how these work. I'll run the code here in a second. Let's see, this one takes an array of doubles and calculates the average of all of them. This one compares the averages of 2 different arrays. And this one was the will buy drink method. The method I decided to make is check if an array was greater than, or I mean less than or equal to 15 to see if an album was long enough to record or not. I decided to make that because I'm in a band right now, and I feel like it would be a useful code to have to be able to input track lengths and see what it totals out to, and try to mix in different songs to create different lengths of an album or something. Now I'm gonna run my code to show that it works. And as you can see, We've got the remainder is 18 for our first problem. Average letters are 27 or 3. The average of the sum is 27. Here are the names in the array printed out. This is the length of each element in the names array. Here's the sum of it. Here's our concatenated string, our full name method, our double methods and stuff, and this is the method I created. That is about it. Thank you.